What? What's wrong, Jack? Are you mad? Are you mad that Frankie's on my lap and you're not? Yes? Oh, you're very mad. There's no room for you up here. Makes you sad. I'm sorry, Jack. What should we do about it? Oh, there you are. Is that better? Don't yell at me. Jack, don't yell. Don't you yell at me. Jack. Jack, don't yell.